Hi everyone, welcome to my mom's channel. Today we are gonna make this simple cake and it is really simple to make. First we are gonna take 1 kg chocolate cake sponge. My mother didn't show how to make a cakes because there is already more recipes in this channel, so that's why my mother didn't show it. Then we are gonna cut it into 2 to 3 slices. It should also be equal. After that, we're gonna keep a wet tissue paper on this, and then we're gonna put the cake base, because if we roll it, the cake will fall down. That's why we'll put a wet tissue paper on it. So first we are gonna take a cake sponge, then we are gonna put sugar syrup on it. Don't put too much or the cake will be destroyed. Then we are gonna put whipped cream. Then we are gonna put choco chips on top so that it tastes more yummy, and we are gonna repeat it one more time. Also we are gonna do the same process at all 3 layers. Now let's start crumb coating it. After crumb coating it, make sure to put it in the fridge for 2 or 3 hours. If you have still more time, you can put it for 5 hours also. We don't have time, so we kept it for 3 or 4 hours. After 4 hours, let's start icing and decorating the cake. We are decorating with less cream. You can put more cream if you want. I have nothing to say, so you guys just see what my mother is doing. We are designing this cake as a simple way, but if you have another idea to design it, you can do however you want. It's your idea. We are also gonna put cherries on top so that it looks pretty, and if you don't have cherries, you can put something else you want. Now let's put some choco chips on top so that it looks beautiful. If you want to deliver any cake, you can refrigerate it for 5 or 4 hours, then you can deliver it. If you also want to eat, you can also do the same thing. And it will also taste yummy. If you don't have choco chips, you can add anything else if you have. Okay, now our simple cake is done and it is very easy to make. So bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.